Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an extension in Google Antigravity. So if you are using Google Antigravity and you want to add extra tools, extra features, or extra help inside the app, this video will show you the simple way to do it. Make sure you follow the steps slowly because some users may see the word extension while other users may see the word plugin. They usually mean the same thing inside this kind of app, so do not worry if the name looks a little different on your screen. Step 1. Open Google Antigravity. First, open Google Antigravity on your computer. You can do this from your desktop shortcut, your start menu, or wherever you normally open your apps. Once it opens, wait a few seconds for everything to load properly. If this is your first time opening Google Antigravity, it may ask you to sign in or finish the first setup. Just follow the screen, choose the basic options, and continue until you reach the main home screen. Once you are inside the main screen, you are ready to look for the extension area. Step 2. Go to the extension or plugin area. Now, look at the left side of the screen. You may see different icons there. Look for something that says extensions, plugins, add-ons, or anything similar. If you do not see it right away, go to Settings first. In many apps like this, extra tools are placed inside the Settings area. So click Settings, then look for a section called Plugins, Extensions, or Customizations. Take your time here. The menu may look a little different depending on your version, but the goal is simple. You're trying to find the place where Google Antigravity lets you add new tools. Step 3. Search for the extension you want. Now you are in the extension or plugin area. Look for the search box. Click inside the search box and type the name of the extension you want to install. For example, if you're looking for a tool that helps with code, writing, checking files, or connecting another service, type the name clearly in the search bar. After that, wait for the results to appear. You may see one result, or you may see a few different options. Do not click the first one too fast. Check the name and make sure it matches what you are looking for. Step 4. Click Open. Now, click on the extension you want. This should open a page with more details. On this page, you may see the extension name, a short description, and sometimes who made it. Before installing it, quickly read the description. You don't need to understand every single word, just check if it does what you need. Also, make sure the name looks correct. This is important because sometimes different tools can have similar names. Picking the correct one helps you avoid installing the wrong thing. Step 5. Click Install. After you confirm that this is the extension you want, look for the Install button. Click Install one time. Now, wait for Google Antigravity to finish the installation. This may take a few seconds. Do not close the app while it's installing. If you see a message asking for permission, read it quickly and only continue if you trust the extension. If everything looks fine, click Allow, Continue, or Install, depending on what your screen shows. And that's how to install an extension in Google Antigravity. The main thing to remember is this. Open Google Antigravity, go to the extension or plugin area, search for the extension, install it, restart if needed, and then check if it's working. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.